Hi everyone, this is Peter from Peter Tech. Today I would like to share with you how I make matcha green tea with boba. It tastes really good. I tell you, the matcha green tea is really good. First, you need tapioca or the boba and follow the instruction carefully on how to boil it. First step, boil the water in a large pot. Use the water in the amount of 10 times the volume of the boba. Put the boba or tapioca into the boiling water. Stir lightly. Wait until all the tapioca float up. Once it's float up, we're gonna cover the pot and put on low to medium heat for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off the heat and wait for another 3 minutes or longer. If you prefer more soft, wait longer. After 3 minutes, it's still a little bit chewy. That is the way I like. In the meantime, prepare cold water because we have to put the boba in the cold water for 20 seconds after we remove the hot water. I also prepare the syrup which we will put the boba or tapioca to rest. In my case, I use maple syrup because I already have it. You can also use honey or use any kind of syrup that you prefer. Okay, so now it's time to remove the boba from the boiling water. After we pour the hot water off, we put the boba into the cold water that we prepare for about 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, we put the boba into the syrup that we already prepared as well. And then we stir it a little bit so that the syrup will go all over the boba. After that, you can just put it in the room temperature until we are ready to use it. Now it's time to make the great matcha milk tea. You need a good matcha powder. I bought it from Costco, and you need a shaker with some ice, and of course you need the boba and also maple syrup or any syrup that you prefer. Oh, before we make the tea, we need to put the boba or the tapioca into the cup. And then I use a full tablespoon of the matcha green tea powder, put it onto the ice which is in the shaker. With this amount of the green tea powder, I got the intense flavor that I like. And then I used 2 ounces of the maple syrup. It gave me less sweet. This is the way that I put the syrup and milk into the shaker. And of course, then we shake it up multiple times to make sure that the green tea powder blend well with the milk. That's it everyone. Now it's time to pour our matcha milk green tea onto our boba and enjoy your drink. I hope you guys will like it because I like it so much, and I'm normally really picky with how the matcha green tea is made. I like the strong intense flavor of the matcha. So with this, I hope you will get the flavor that you like. Thanks for watching. Bye.
อร่อยเหมือนคาเฟ่